Ultrasonic cleaner. Let's check this bad boy out, guys. So I have retainers. Come on, open up. And I was really excited for this because it makes life so much easier when cleaning your retainers, besides just like having to shake them up, brush them. Ooh, pretty. Yes. I guess this is a tray. Okay. Assuming it goes like this. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it has the cable cord right there. So this is it all put together, guys. Ooh. Let me see. I'm so excited. Okay. So, high frequency ultrasonic cleaning. All right. So what you would do is it cleans in about 90 seconds. Oh, you could do jewelry too. Dentures. Wow. Fast cleaning mode. It has makeup tools. It'll even clean your makeup tools, guys. What? Shaver heads. That's crazy. Speed, convenience, 360 all around cleaning. Wow, this is so amazing. And it does have a large capacity. So what it does have, so I guess for like small things like jewelry, you could put in the bucket, put it right in, and you're good to go. Wow. Okay, let's see. Can you put like cleaning solution in here, I guess? Lightweight control, yes. All right. Put items and water, do not seed max amount. Connects power, touch the button. Take out after cleaning, unplug, and pour out the water. It comes with a stainless steel thing. Multiple heat sink holes. Non-slip grip bottom, as you can see here on the bottom. Mini size, so it is easy to travel with. This is actually really, really cool, guys. And again, it's just simple. You see here the time and the on-off buttons. You would plug this in, it goes there. And again, everything goes inside. This is really, really cool. I like this.